Hello, my dear sweetheart subscriber. Welcome back to my channel GL Manhwa. Kiss Me in the Dark of Night, Chapter 9. So let's get started. Manhwa Heha. Life and death are determined by fate. Jung Lai, what are you doing? Praying. Are you going to stream? Yes. I edited some clips and uploaded them ahead of time so I can chat with everyone during the stream. Jung Lai saying, the clips you're talking about, do they have anything to do with what happened today? Clark saying, Jung Lace, didn't I tell you that you shouldn't be posting that stuff? You wouldn't teach me to trade stocks, so I had to find another way. Oh no, time's up, no more talking. Hi everyone, your Lele is here. Lai, she stole my name. Have you guys seen my new video? Our trip to the human world. Baby can do special effects. Baby is all powerful. Squeaky. Honey, the engine used for special effects is amazing. Please give a tutorial. Big pot, small pot. Is it Unreal Engine 5? I think it is. The effects are amazing. It's not special effects. Didn't I explain before? I'm a part time demon hunter. What a cute demon hunter. Oh my god, I actually believe her. It's too real. Ha ha ha. Lila should write a science blog. Don't you all think it's real? I work in special effects and I can't figure out how it was done. No one is taking it seriously. Vampire Ally Second Ghost Hunt. Click. The editing is pretty good. Is she really an ancient vampire who has been asleep for hundreds of years? She was only dug up recently. Surprise. What's this thing? Fush, black screen. Is it? Looking at the camera. Yeah, I got Mark Shivang again. Yeah, they should pay me for advertising. Have you guys gone to try it? No, it's looking at Clark. Did Clark see it? My roommate keeps staring at me. What do you all think? Is she in love with me? Nana, subscribe message. Are you showing off your relationship? I want to see the roommate. I want to see the roommate. Who's the top and who's the bottom? Is the roommate also a demon hunter? Let us see her. I can die happy if I see them be lovey dovey. Pour water in the glass. I streamed for 2 hours and you were staring at your phone the entire time. Aren't your eyes tired? Did you see the black shadow in the video? Black shadow? What? Look, I don't see anything. How come I can see it but you can't? Surprise. Could it be that? It showed itself on purpose. Am I the actual target? Confused, why can't you see it? What exactly is it? I've never encountered something like this before. Tomorrow we'll go and ask Master about it. Wow. Check out how happy they are. So many trees. Wow. Clark, be careful, not out like it matters since she barely gets hurt anyway. Gosh, serious. Fidgets is silent. Jung Lei is thinking. Professor P daydreaming Oregon. What is she staring at? Jung Lai, can we move to the mountains? Look, the air here is so fresh and there are a ton of trees. There's no internet. Oh, then forget it. Auntie Lu didn't leave yet. Do you think Master Jang has gotten any rest these past few days? Auntie Lu must have been teaching her some nice lessons. Your brain needs to be cleaned out. It's full of junk. Then can I give you half of the junk I clean out? This doesn't hurt at all. Young Master Jang and Miss Clark have a great relationship. Hey, every assistant should aim for the top. At least in some things, I'm already in the top position, right? This girl has been completely ruined by the internet. Let's take care of business first. Master, is anyone here? It looks like no one is home. Where did they go? The car is still parked outside. How about we let Professor Pay appraise the item first? Sorry, Professor Pay, I guess she's in the mountains. No problem. Let me show you to the warehouse. Okay. Lock opening sound. Professor Pay, this is the coffin I'd like you to appraise. Serious. Professor Pay, what's wrong? Is this the coffin that needs to be appraised? Is Professor Pay afraid of it? I'm not scared, just a little surprised. Young Master Jiang, the appraisal will take some time. Can you give Madame some quiet? I'll need to be left alone to do my work. Of course. Clark and I will go wait in the yard to see if Master returns. Okay. Professor Pay seems off today. So you noticed it too. She was observing me in the car, and her emotions obviously fluctuated when she saw the coffin. It definitely wasn't the emotion of being shocked seeing the coffin, it was a more complex emotion. Yeah, what do you think? I can only assume that Professor Pay has some sort of unspeakable secret. Does it have something to do with me? How come you two are here? I came to ask Master for advice and I brought a history professor to appraise Clark's coffin. Oh, I see. Auntie Lee, where's Master Jiang? Also, Auntie Lee, where did you buy that kipao? Do you have a link? Auntie Liu, is your car comfortable? Chunya is reflecting in the basement. The kipao was custom made. If you like my car, I'll give it to you too. Whoa. Basement reflecting. The car, give it to us. Don't you two think that Chunni deserves some type of punishment? I totally agree. Auntie Lu needs to punish her severely. Young Master Jiang regarding that coffin. Pauses. Silent. Silent. Could this be Miss Liu Xian, the queen of the financial world? Mrs. Liu, I'm Pei Jing from Jua University Science and Technology's History Department. Nice to meet you. I saw one of your television interviews. Pei Jing. We haven't met before, right? Confused. We haven't met before. I've only seen you on TV. I meant, have I ever seen you around before? Isn't a demon like Auntie Lu supposed to have excellent memory? Why would she ask that, Auntie Lu? What is Auntie Lu pondering? Is she searching through her memories? That shouldn't be happening to her. But the memory of plant monsters is like data storage in a computer and can be recalled instantly. She clearly just recognized her, but couldn't place her in the end. Paging is definitely a 32-year-old human, so there's no way she should be confused by her. Professor Pei, I'm really sorry. When I start thinking about something that worries me, I always end up ignoring the people around me. Please don't take it personally. No problem, I understand. Professor Pei seemed to have something to discuss with the two of you. I'm going to go see Chonyi, and then we can have dinner together later. Okay. Auntie Lu, I want to eat Mao Chuang. Okay, I'll make it for you. Auntie Lu is the best. A human? I examined the coffin very carefully. It's at least 700 or 800 years old. If we want to determine the exact year, we'll have to rely on technology. As for the patterns, I took photos and will check them later with documents and sources. Professor Pei, let's sit down and talk. 700 or 800 years. She's definitely a great demon, but this vampire of mine looks like she was born yesterday. I have another question. Is the coffin valuable to collectors? Huh, what? Oh, what I meant to say is that this coffin is obviously European style and around 700 or 800 years old. So if it's not valuable, it wouldn't have been worth moving it from Europe all the way to Juva city. Although the coffin was well preserved, it's not rare, but it is old. So if it's auctioned off, it should fetch a good value. Look, this Egyptian coffin was sold for 300 million yuan. For our coffin, well, let me think about it. A starting price of 10 million shouldn't be asking for too much. 10 million? What's worth 10 million? She's back to punish me again. Chunya, are you hungry? It's not like we just broke up. Even if you're pissed off, shouldn't you have cooled off after all this time? Imprisoning me and demanding things every day, don't you think it's excessive? Walks closer. Haven't you been doing even more extreme things than me? You know that plant demons' memories never fade with time. They revisit the past over and over again. Their love and hatred only deepen. I kiss, touch lips. I'm just getting the compensation I deserve. I'm sorry. Open. Come here. I might run away like a coward again, but even then, will you still not give up on me? What are you afraid of? I only have a few short decades to live. If I die and leave you alone, how much will the memories of our time together torment you? It's still early on, so just let me be the bad guy. It's better to let you hate me. I'll die alone, and then on that day, you can vent all of your anger. I know your memory is amazing, and that's why I'm so timid, silent. These are my true feelings. Open. Don't worry. The day you die, I'll follow you. Dying together. It sounds scary and romantic. Chunyi, don't lie to yourself. Don't tease me like this. What are you talking about, living or dying? It took you 400 years to transform into a human and another 300 years of cultivation to achieve everything you have today. Why cling to the fleeting spring? There's no heartbeat here. Do you feel anything? But when you're by my side, I can almost feel a heartbeat. Didn't your master teach you? Plant demons are all paranoid psychopaths. Chuni, you were conflicted, so I imprisoned you until you figured it out. This time we're solving the problem once and for all. It's almost dark. You must be hungry. I'll go cook. Several hours passed. I wonder what the basement looks like now. It must be a mess. Don't ever upset Auntie Lou. Absolutely not. I think I hear food. Professor Pay and I were having a long discussion, and you never woke up during it. Food is different. Is Miss Clark a foodie? I like anything that tastes good. Aren't you afraid of gaining weight? I'm not. A little squish feels better. Isn't that right? This fucking girl, how can I save her from brain rot? Her mouth is like a floodgate. Where's the switch to turn it off? Jiang Lai, you should eat more too, or else I'll have nothing to hold. I'm going to sew your mouth shut. I can't take it anymore. Not afraid of gaining weight. Professor Pei, what did you just say? Nothing. Being able to eat is a blessing. Even if I ate just a tiny bit of meat, I'd be so worried that I wouldn't be able to sleep. Hi, guys. Let's see what happens next. Thank you so much for supporting me. And please like, share, and comment. And subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you. Bye bye.